walay ilong butong. Asik lang. Happy birthday Choy. Yun na sa tanan, napasalamaton ko nga na amigo tiga. Salamat sa imong kabutan Choy, sa imong pagkamanggihatagon, sa imong kamaayo. Wish na ko Choy, good health para sa imo ug sa imong pamilya. Unta makabot pud imong pangandoy na magpiloto nya. Kasakyan may mga tropa nimo nga walay bayad, libre tanan. Laton ko na. Maulan to Choy, enjoy your day. Fly high butterfly. Peace out.
Ang ina mo. Happy birthday. Yan, December 25, paano yung birthday mo? Jesu Cristo. Jesu Christ shit man ka. Mga motor daw ton. Basta kayo nakakuta ko ron. Ano yung problema? Mana nang kuan. Importante.
Happy birthday, Boss F. Grabe no, dali rahing panahon bay. Sa una kay magkating mata panagsa kay magdula og duta og email. Karon wala na bay, panagsan lang kita nyo magkita. Moro to no, og may God bless you and continue to guide your steps and fill your life with wisdom and peace. Amping kanunay sa iyong mga biyahe o moro to, gwapo biya ka.
Boss F, happy birthday! Kay grant ni Lord mo mga gusto sa kinabuhi o matupad mo mga wish. Kanya, kay basan man lood siyan sa kuha ba kay wala na ako siya video greetings pero bossing hindi kaya so happy birthday. Mwah!
Hi bro, happy birthday day. Amping kanunay.
Happy birthday, Joy. Padayon sa mong pagkabutan. Tama ka sa kayo mo sa meroplano sa loob. Hanapag pantalon mo jogging.
Happy birthday, Choy. Merry Christmas.
Happy birthday, Frank, and wish you all the best and fun lang and stay humble lang always. Happy birthday, bro. God bless.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Port. 22 reps para sa imo. Wah, ya Allah. Uy,
Hi Kuya, happy birthday. Just wanted to say a little message for you. In Taglish na lang siguro since it's common knowledge na I don't know how to speak in Visayan dialect. And so that everyone present there can understand what I'm saying. So please bear with me on this. It'll be just a short message. I am sure that on your special day, it will be filled with smiles, good moments, and everything that makes you happy kahit wala kami dyan ni mama mo. Definitely Kuya, you are growing to a fine, wonderful person, and we are proud of you and all that you are. We hope the year brings you lots of fun moments, cool opportunities, and plenty of things to smile about. Just to remember, you're always loved and you mean a lot to us. And here's something exciting to look forward to. Inshallah, in 3 to 6 months, we will be home permanently and we will all be together, catching up, laughing and spending time together as a family. Not to mention yung gala tsaka lakwatsa. by that time. So inshallah, we will also have time for that. Always keep up the good work. And I believe congratulations, advance congratulations are already in order for your incoming graduation. And hopefully your mama, me, your Lola, and Chariza will be there to cheer you on and celebrate you. So enjoy your birthday tomorrow. Enjoy your birthday. Eat some cake for us. Get ready for lots of good times when we see you soon. So happy birthday from Saudi Arabia.
Happy birthday, Franco. Happy 22nd birthday. I hope and pray na matupad panimo tanan imong wish sa imong life, sa present and in the future. Stay humble and stay mabait. Sorry kasi hindi lahat ng birthday celebration mo andyan ako. Pero very very soon magkakasama din tayong apat. Plus kay Cheriza. Ay, dili na lang na ako taason akong speech kay I don't wanna cry. Charot. Again, happy birthday. I wish you all the best for you. God bless you always and I love you so much. Alam mo yan. Again, happy birthday. I love you.